up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. The cold weather, like a cold weather hat type, I don't know. But the only reason why I'm going to talk about it because, man, I live in Virginia and, man, it get cold some morning. And some mornings I'm trying to get into the gin coop and it's a struggle to get in there because I have the frameless doors and, man, it's a struggle to get in the gin coop. But guess what? When I have a struggle to get in the gin coop, even when I try to use the lock to get in the gin coop or anything like that, and it's frozen, I just walk upstairs and go and get me some alcohol, and guess what? It don't freeze back up because, you know, alcohol can't freeze that much frozen. I said, man, how am I get to work? But I realized rubbing alcohol have a freezing point of negative 128 Fahrenheit. So, man, why not use rubbing alcohol to get in the car? It's not that cold outside. You use rubbing alcohol. You know, most people use like hot water or water or something like that. I use rubbing alcohol to get in the car. And guess what? I use the rubbing alcohol to get in the car and I don't have to worry about try to read, you know, if the water try to freeze back up. I can just use the alcohol and it's not going to freeze back up and it's loosening up all the mechanism and everything. It's really not hurting the car because it's alcohol. You know, I put alcohol in the car sometimes because if I'm trying, like, especially right now, I have a wrap on the car, so it's really not taking away the contaminants or anything like that. But yeah, try to rub in alcohol, especially like if you got ice on your windshield and you know how you use the windshield wiper and it's you messing up the wiper and you messing up the windshield, man, you put some rubbing alcohol on it and guess what? Voila, it's turning into water right instantaneously. Man, I have the time to wait cause you know some mornings I ain't gonna say a lie, your boy Artist Speed gets up super late and be running to get to work. But yeah, that's just the way it is. I just dumped the alcohol mixed with water on the windshield with the ice and stuff up there, and it turns in water instant. This is it. If you're enjoying the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artist Speed family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. Welcome.